And here is the actual package. Bam, Manscaped. Let's open it up. And the first thing you see is your balls will thank you. And I'm super excited to feel that way once I use this. This packaging is awesome. Manscaped really did it with the packaging. I dig that. We have the Manscaped Croc Preserver. So this is ball deodorant. Perfect for chafing. So this is anti-chafing. There we go. Next, we have the Crop Reviver. So, I don't know, maybe if it's getting dry down there, this will bring it back to life. It's a spray. Here we have some anti-chafing Manscaped boxers. Awesome. We have additional accessories in here, but most importantly, here it is, the Lawnmower 4.0. This is awesome, and what the fuck? There's hair on it. I don't like it. That's not cool. That is not cool. Bruh. There's hair on my fucking lawnmower. I just opened the package. That's some bullshit. I'm disgusted. Whose balls did I just touch? I just grabbed this thing and there's fucking hair on there. That's disgusting. Wow. Manscaped, you fucked me up. I'm sorry. You fucked me up. That's gross. That's fucking gross. I have no fucking words. Everything else looks new, but no, there's a fucking pube right up here. I don't even want to touch any of this. Bro. That just, I don't even want to do this video anymore. That's disgusting. No, I'm done.